Spyker Spreader's ErgoPro Series is the professional choice for broadcast material spreading. The all-welded frame features a rear support stand and front lift handle, making ErgoPros easier to fill and maneuver on the job. And the impact-resistant hopper avoids material bridging by allowing consistent flow without having to bounce or shake the spreader during operation. The stainless steel hardware and solid gate linkage provide year-round durability. And the oversized pneumatic tires and triangulated handle reduce user fatigue when pushing over rough terrain. Spyker's ergonomically designed handle can be adjusted to fit user heights from 5 foot 3 inches to 6.5 feet tall. And with 95 settings, the Spyker dial is the industry's most accurate calibration system, saving you material and money. Spyker's online dial calculator determines your dial setting in seconds. And with Spyker's AccuWay diffuser, you can quickly calibrate your material for dead center spreading every time. Spyker's die-cast aluminum metal gears are fully enclosed, complete with a Zerk fitting for grease, and come with a lifetime warranty. You can add a side deflector kit to block off the spread for walkways, or fully upgrade your 50-pound or 80-pound ErgoPro with our patent-pending variable deflector kit to adjust the spread from a 3-foot drop to a full 12-foot wide spread on the fly with no tools required. The pros you know use ErgoPro.